27 degrees I'm showing you.
So am I.
Tell you it was going to get hot here.
Aye, that was a good wee pit stop, guys.
I tell you, the quick shifter on this is well, it's really smooth.
Aye, the quick shifter on these bikes, John, are absolutely brilliant, eh?
Yeah, it's butter smooth. The GTO's like as well, I think it's the same.
Aye.
Quick shifter they used. People have been glad to be. Choo-choo.
Great scenery, eh?
Oh, beautiful. The weather makes it as well. It's a nice sunny day. Goes to one day.
Exactly.
Fans green.
You want to go in the garage?
I'm alright for fuel.
I'm alright. It's up to you guys.
Says I've got 86 miles left.
I've got 89, so.
We'll get something in Selkirk.
We'll get one on our side. Definitely.
I've got 53 miles.
Plenty.
Ah, that's plenty. Well, that's 60 miles to Selkirk, so why don't you find one before then? I'm sure we will. Right, so we're turning in half a mile to 86071. Okay. Hey, we need to stop for these guys because they're stuck along like, oh no.
We're right behind you.
They're right beside me. I looked at my left mark and they see.
Your TikTok's on.
Hey, we're going to have a turn in this road.
1.2 mile.
You went to turn to Long Down Road.
On the right or left?
It's on the right.
Okay.
The A6071. Half a mile away.
Great wee villages, eh?
Ah, you're beautiful, aren't they? I'm always quite envious of people that stay in places like this.
Yeah.
Although they probably envious of people like us, it's their size.
No, probably not.
I'd love to live somewhere that's really quiet. There are not a lot of people about. TikTok.
This guy in the bike in front of us probably going the same way.
What's all the TikTok nonsense?
Indicator.
Fucking indicator on.
I've got to get on.
Not you, it was Alec.
Ah, right.
It's only BMW he's got that doesn't have self-cancelling indicators. But at least they work.
That's the thing you can buy that it does. There's a clicking noise in yours.
Oh,
Headset.
that would do my tits in that.
Right, so it just reminds you to turn that off, that's all.
Shawnee, when you do your tits in because you switch yours off.
I know. Well, no, all the time. There has been occasions I leave them on. But, oh no, that ticking would do my head in. I've seen them, John, eh? You can have them all different ringtones, eh? Or TikTok tones.
Yep. Oh, I like these old roads with old bridges.
I know, they're nice, eh?
Hello, bitch.
Hello, bridge.
Have you helping him?
Mm-hmm.
Aye, well, it's old that one.
Surprised he's not broken in because he usually do.
Maybe it is. That would have been at the Moffat rally yesterday.
Aye. This is as far as they go.
Aye, before it broke down. I think this is at the big way of as well, huh?
Aye.
I've been on this road before, so. Maybe in new places.
Absolutely.
There's not many places I've saw since I've got home, Mike.
Yeah, I'm the same, John. Aye, this has been a great day out.
It was even more super awesome than that, yeah.
That's what
Absolutely,
it is,
Steve.
honestly.
Wee
You know
bit,
we have an intruder, well, it's shite.
wee bit faster pace than we normally do, but it's
Yeah,
good.
it's definitely a faster pace, which is good for me because I need the practice.
Uh-huh. Yeah, these wee places, they're always immaculate, eh?
Because people take pride in who they live.
Yeah, exactly.
There's no chance of being here.
Hello.
We're taking our right here, obviously.
All clear, guys.
All clear.
All clear.
Yep.
No feet down.
Hey. Indicator, Alec. Alec, indicator.
What?
Indicator.
TikTok.
What? Let's get back on that trailer.
I don't know what the hell it is.
Petrol station. It's just went by the petrol station, guys.
Do you want petrol station?
That's
What,
alright.
40 mile.
Hey,
You're 40 mile.
I should be right for that.
Right, next
What, you
petrol
want this-
station.
right.
River-esque.
We can all pass another carriage.
Says the guy with a 400-mile tank.
We've done 400 odd mile.
Aye, you certainly put mileage in this weekend, Alec. And here we are, guys, back in Scotland.
Hey.
Scotland.
No, wait. Coming.
Clear. All clear. Step clear.
Probably Alec.
The petrol station up here on the left.
Yeah, we'll stop there. Lagam.
It's still up as well.
Aye, I'll just fill up. I mean, I'm on half a tank, but I'll just top it up. Golf. Christ almighty, I've not been in a golf for years.
Just got credit card things.
Nah,
Can't
no,
wait the card machines.
no £50 notes accepted. They've only got E10.
Only got E10. You want to try go further up?
I'll
put some
scanning any
in.
further.
I'm going to put some in. See if you just put like half a tank and it'll be alright. So I'm going to do.
Yeah, because I've only got 29 mile.
I don't know what the next petrol station is, man.
I'll tell you. Petrol station.
I've got enough to get to a petrol station. Right, Dusty, out you come.
We're heading towards the petrol station. So. Right, 10 miles away, petrol station. I'll make that.
I bet there's one before then.
Possibly.
I've got 128 miles of range.
About 77 miles.
Yeah, if I was in the Bandit, Alec, I'd be out of fuel now.
Yeah, you would be.
Aye.
On this
We're on the band that you filled up ages ago.
A cracking day, It's 21 degrees still. There's the poor buggers there with the electric car. Yeah.
Paying about 80 pence a kilowatt.
Aye, I bet that's fun in the winter, eh? You're freezing your cha-chas off, eh? Waiting on your car to charge.
Well, you sit inside it, would you know?
Aye, but you'd still be freezing your cha-chas off, eh?
How do you not have it switched on while you're charging it?
Don't know.
Right, so it's 91 miles to home, and I've got 65 miles left, so I'm definitely
You'll
gonna hit the
make
petrol
it.
station.
You'll make it.
Definitely hit the petrol station before that.
Have faith, you'll make it.
I'll definitely make it.
I suppose I should really use 6 gear to try and conserve some fuel.
Aye, I just look at the hills and I just think Windows XP.
Window with XP. That's a fun road, that's all right. That's
Nice, eh?
Road is clear ahead.
John,
There's a biker coming.
Hi,
Once
John.
that bike's cleared, I'll come through.
You've got a car coming.
Boom, boom.
And you've got clear way back after that.
a mile of the clear road after that. Right, we're looking for a petrol station, mate, guys, if you see one.
There's no one here. Can't see one.
Yeah, the one is 7 miles at the Langham High Street.
Aye.
I think I should listen to.
Oh, my, don't put my feet in.
No, no feet down.
Big talk, John.
Right, there should be coming in another roundabout later on. That's half a mile away. Take the first turn.
Get this visor up.
Garage man.
Get some oxygen in.
There's a petrol station in Sainsbury's.
Yeah, just head into the first petrol station. Maybe 4 and 5 miles.
Oh, you've plenty in the tank.
I think this one's got a car gripper, so I can just use my phone watch.
Right. Oh, I'm too far forward.